Okay, so I just came back from the racetrack where we had a day with McLarens. So we were teaching, coaching some McLaren owners, improving their racing skills, getting them more and more up to speed. But there was also a McLaren Senna. So after coaching and teaching the owner a little bit, he was already quite fast. After that, he asked me if I would drive his car fast. So of course, I'll show you a lap in a second. So actually I did two laps, 2.5, because in the third lap we were out of fuel almost, so we had to go into the pit. So one warm-up lap, and the second lap was the lap that you will see here. I won't push the car on the car's limit because I don't know the car, and damage is a no-go, so no way we're going to do that. But I can go to my limit. I know where my limit is. The safe limit, let's say, everything in there is safe. So in slow corners you can play around with it, no worries, but in fast corners, no, I'm not going all the way to the edge. And when I heard that McLaren is going to name one of their cars Senna, I was like, wow. And the car needs to be amazing, amazing. It is, I'm sorry, I have no words. It's so freaking good. And they rightfully called it Senna, in my opinion. This is the first time I've driven the Senna. I've driven quite some McLarens already and some other sports and supercars and racing cars, whatever. This thing is on a complete other planet. You can throw away all the cars in the world. Just, they don't matter anymore at all. This thing is bizarre. And there are cars that are faster in a straight line. I know, I don't care. I mean track performance, so lap times. The braking. You can brake so late. It's unbelievable how fast this thing goes and how, especially through corners, the level of grip it has. Let me know, do you know a road car? So a road legal car which is faster on the track, so I'm talking about lap times, than the McLaren Senna. Let me know, maybe I'm missing some car, but I think this is the king. I think it's unbelievable. Here's the lap. Senna's king. driven many cars. This is a whole nother level, especially the braking. I've driven racing cars with worse brakes than this thing. It's a whole nother level. I'm so impressed.